Hi everyone, this is your favorite nurse Mary. Today we are treating on the topic called facing signs and symptoms of syphilis bacterium. We all know that syphilis is actually caused by bacterium through several stages. In this kind of stages we have different kind of stages. Number one stage is the primary stages. When you begin to see a round sore start developing at the site of the infection, maybe for example your genitals, in your mouth, or even your lips, you begin to see it at the site of the infection. Then the healing process actually takes place within 3 to 6 weeks, regardless of the treatment. Then the second stage, we have the secondary stage, where you start seeing the rashes may appear on your body, even including your palm and your feet. You begin to develop the symptoms like hair loss, you start developing a sore throat, even fever. You start developing a muscle ache and even the swollen arms. And the symptoms of that second stage, it might come and go for up to 2 years. So the third one we're talking about is the late stage. The late stage we're talking about is the stage that can lead to a serious health problem. Health problems like heart disease. You might start having a vision problem before you know it, and you start having difficulty in seeing. The next one, you start having your nerves damage. You start having a nerves damage problem. The next one, you start having the seizures, and next one, you start having the brain damage, even the inflamed tissue. Then the next stage also we have the latest syphilis. Then, in that latest syphilis, there will be no visible symptoms, actually, but the bacteria along the line, you are still present. You might not feel as if the bacteria is present in your body at that duration. It lasts for years and or even decay. There will be no sign that no visible of sign that you are seeing, but it might be present in that same body, and such on that kind of duration. You might start seeing it for years, and you start seeing it getting decayed and all that. One thing about sepsis is often incurable, especially when you detect it in an early stage. And the only way you can detect it is by through your blood test. Through blood test you can detect it. And at the primary, that's the blood test are the primary method for diagnosing the syphilis. That's the only way. Thank you. Bye.